Yo les gars, it's your girl Aurie and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you all stretches to get your split fast. So you don't need any equipment, maybe this one, but we will see if you want to use it. If you're ready, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up and let's go! So every movement, I should say every stretches will be done in 30 seconds. We don't have any rest time, just have to follow along. So we start here by having our legs straight with your back and arms straight as well. To be able to hold that position, you will have to use your core for that. So stay strong and you will feel it behind your leg. It will stretch, it will pull, that's normal. We're here for that. Now, keeping your back straight, you want now to have your palm on the floor. So you don't have to be too close to your body because that will be the next movement. But here, look forward, hands on the floor, legs straight. Try not to have your knees bent. If they are bent, that's fine, but just try to hold it as far as possible. And finally, the hug. I love this one. So here you want to have your arms around your legs, head touching your knees, and hold for the rest of the time. Okay, now I think your legs are aware that something is going on. So whichever legs you want to put forward, do it and hold that position. Here we will have 3 steps. First step is your hands on your knees. So you want to hold it there. You will feel a sensation in the opposite leg where it starts to stretch, you know. So hold it. That's just the beginning right here. And now hands on your hips, on your side, and you hold. By removing your arms on your knees, you're adding a little bit more of stretch on your legs. So that's normal. If you feel it more, that's normal, that's fine. It's meant to be that way. That's how you are loosening, you know, this part of your body. And the last step, arms facing up, heads as well, and you want to look as far as possible. So here, I know it pulls a lot. It's painful, that's normal. I feel it as well. You can't see my face, but I feel it as well, so that's normal. Hold it here for another 10 seconds. We keep the same leg here just to give you a bit of love. Head touching your knee, but you don't go all the way back. Here you just want to add that pressure here as well as relaxing that other leg. Now, after the break here, you want to try to put your head on the floor. But actually, that's not the most important. What you want here is to wake up your adductor. So that's the first step of it. So notice that your foot behind should be on the floor, fully flat on the floor, because the next one will be on your toes. And here we are, another level. This time we are on the toes, so it will be slightly more challenging. You still stay where you are with your elbows on the floor. If you want to push like forward, backward, that's fine. Otherwise, just stay here. It's also very good. You don't necessarily have to have your head on the floor. That's okay, because again, here we're targeting our adductor. And the killer. You want to grab one leg, the one which is behind, and then bring your foot as close as possible to your glute. It will stretch. That's normal. So try to have some, motions there, but not too harsh. Really just be gentle with your body. It will come for sure. And to finish with this leg, this side, you want to do a triangle, and again, head on knee. If you can't go that far, that's okay, because here I'm teaching you, I'm showing you movement, all stretches to get your split fast. So what it takes to get it, it's consistency. So wherever you are, hold it and try a little bit more, step by step, days after days, to see the changes. Now you want to flip over, and that's where you'll potentially use the strap. You want to hold your leg and bring it as close as possible to your body, or grab this one and then simply pull. Make sure when you're doing it that your other leg is still on the floor, because sometimes it will just, raise up, and that's not what we want. There we go. Now we work on the other side. Left, right, left, it doesn't matter. Again, hands on your knee. And now that you know the feeling, try to push a little bit, to play the game fully. Because we are here only for 12 minutes, it's not too long. So at least we want it to be, effective. Now you have the position, even a smile, okay? And you put your hands on the side. So here, yes, I'm just double checking that everything is here. I think everything is here for you too. Try to dance, think about something else. Don't really try to pay attention to this, this pain that I feel and you feel as well, for sure. If not, then you are probably in a really, really, really good way to have your split very soon. All right, so now raise your arms again and look up. Hold there while pushing forward so you can feel the stretch on the opposite leg. And a little bit of a break for that leg. So again, head on knee, toes pointing to yourself, and you hold there for another 15 seconds. So remember, for this one, first of all, elbows on the floor, foot behind, fully flat on the floor. Yes, something like this. All right, exactly. And you hold there for the rest of the time. This time, again, we go on our toes, exactly, and we hold the same position with our elbows and head on the floor. Tell me how you feel about this movement, because I'm a little bit confused. I know I can go further and it will be the same for you, so try really to push, okay, and smile, because we're here because we want something for ourselves. So that's a good news, so we should be happy to be here. almost done. We go into, you remember, triangle. Head on knee, hands flat on the floor, open wide and hold. Flip over on your back, grab that same leg and bring it close to you. Or if you want, either by pushing or using the strap for it. I personally think that it's okay with the strap, but sometimes I prefer to do it myself. Anyway, whichever works for you. It can be a strap, it can be a scarf, it can be anything, really. You don't have to buy anything. With a hug, because we have to thank our legs for being part of this journey, because if they were not there, so supportive and everything, we wouldn't be able to even try to have our split right. Okay, so I'll let you enjoy the rest of the time. And that's it! Well done, guys! This routine done consistently will help you get your front split fast. So really, you can use this one, you can use nothing, it's up to you. Alright, I'll let you subscribe to this channel and like this video if you enjoyed it and if you want more of it. I see you in another video. Peace!